7:30 last night. And I didn't wake up until 5:30 this morning. I'm so tired. The whitewater rafting really took it out of me. Shit, I gotta get some bug spray. Hold, please. Yeah, mosquitoes are a lot worse today. Our game plan this morning is to go find coffee and then maybe go snorkeling. It's supposed to be 93 today, so it's gonna be hot, way too hot. So I'm thinking beer and water. That sounds pretty good. Pretty easy. The weather here today is like walking into a bathroom when somebody is showering. Just that heat, like a blanket. But on a lighter note, we found a tamarind tree, so that's pretty cool. Like fuzzy peanuts. Oh yeah.
But instead of being out, but like the stymon is down.
Very flaccid.
Very flaccid.
That's cute.
Before they go, they're all green.
Oh, neat. Ah, see, I love the flowers here. I've never seen. We gon' die.
Oh God.
Wait. He stopped the traffic accident. Look at it.
Captivate up. Nope.
With the white top. I thought he was gonna take it more time.
Get it!
Okay, bye. No.
I think we just have to go. We just have to go.
Ready? We're going.
We're going. Yay!
We didn't die.
Well, I don't know. Oh, hey, Roy.
Bye, sucker.
I just meandered across because the only guy coming from that way was turning.
Well, you're also a really big dude, and you'd fuck up a scoot.
Yeah, and also your stride is twice ours.
Yeah. We had to hustle. There's long dancer's legs.
Oh God, he's scrappy.
Well, hasn't he blown out his feathers?
Is that what it is? Holy smokes.
But I see all the babies.
This beach reminds me of the Always Sunny in Philadelphia when they go to the Jersey Shore.
Oh,
Like feral dogs.
Yeah.
No, did you?
Yeah, the beaches are full of garbage, which is disappointing. But to be expected, because I mean there's so much trash all around the jungle, so. But, yeah. Oh well. I love all the hermit crabs. Oh, you are alive. Sorry, little guy. Oh, this water's hot right here. Wow. Like bathtub hot.
Moved a little bit, but I can't get under the water to see.
Okay, I'm just gonna get wet. I don't get it. This is absolutely fantastic here, because you think about coral as being, you know, coming from Montana or Wyoming, you think of it as this like rock and non-moving, and here it's all the coral that you know and you can recognize, but it's alive and it's moving and just breathing. It's the best way I can describe it. It's cool. Starting to be pretty bummed out about this place. I'm not gonna lie, but wow, I mean,
It's also unassuming because
yeah,
you look out here and it's still mucky and the water's not that, you know, blue that you want.
yeah,
But honestly, if you look, blue.
yeah, like starfish, and then just right there, starfish.
even where we were standing, I was only looking down.
Yeah,
And then when I finally looked out, because I couldn't get my whole body to the backpack, it was like a whole fucking world that was right in front of me. I didn't even see it because I'd literally only seen.
and it was like National Geographic.
All the fish, all the fish, all the fish.
All the fish. So now we're gonna chase Roy down and sit and watch the storm, I think. Bentang. He abandoned us, probably for Bentang. I think they'll serve us sopping wet. We can change into our bathing suits if they want.
Yeah, that'd be drier.
I can feel this hole.
I think I got stung. Stinging coral. I didn't see any of that.
Perfect timing.
I think fire coral hurts more though.
Yeah, fire
Maybe
coral,
I didn't.
no, but
What I had on me yesterday quite possibly could have been a thimble jellyfish or thimble jellyfishes. They're larvae. Because like the adults are approximately
Eva may have got stuck by a jellyfish.
several of them yesterday.
Thimble
I had one on my lip. Their larvae, commonly known as sea lice, are equally irritating, even smaller,
lice.
about the size of a pinhead. They resemble clouds of salt and pepper floating in the water.
Eva got sea lice.
Which is what I was saying. I felt I was like,
I didn't know they were jellyfish.
I didn't know that they were jellyfish either.
Oh shit!
Here goes that one, Eva.
That's fucking funny.
I'm glad it wasn't worse.
This island's trying to kill me.
I know, you have all the injuries. Mine are all on my feet. I have stubbed both toes.
Yeah.
Scraped the one. Now I have blisters that I didn't have 2 seconds ago.
See, and that's like the feet are the only thing I don't have, and these two have.
Yeah.
The rainstorms have settled in, so we're gonna hike the 6 minutes back, take a shower, come out and drink some more beer. Because somebody's got to do it.
What are you talking about? We're taking a shower on the way there.
Oh, I'm
It's just natural.
gonna rinse my whole body on the way and then do it again. Alright, well.
Yeah, Roy said it right. At least the rain is warm.
See, you said to pull over to put the ring here.
Cheers. Cheers, friend. Yeah. I was preoccupied. I'm gonna use one of those over here because I'm sticking already. Would you like one?
Oh, no, I'm okay.
Well,
I don't think I could move.
yeah, that's why I don't want to stick to the chair.
I'm already here. I'm of the chair. The chair is of me.
Better. Okay, now I can concentrate.
We're gonna go get in the car and you're gonna have to take the seat out. Let's just put this one in it.
He was trying to get in my eye. Stop it.
Do you want some bug spray for those eyeballs?
God. I was talking to her and a fly got on my cheek and then was crawling into my eye. He was on my eyelashes getting into my eye. And then I screamed and batted him away and then he came back.
And the boys across the street just look over like...
He's trying to get me.
That's funny. I hope it's a bot fly. If in her eye.
If that thing that was trying to get me is a butterfly, I will bury Eva in the sand.
You could take it home and you could nurture it and you could love it as it crawls around your eyeball forever. And then it could be your pet. Like the people who
Excuse me, sir.
like the people who keep birds in
Come get
cages.
her?
You'll just have a bot fly. It'll be the cutest thing ever, and you'll have to feed it chunks of meat for it to make more bot flies.
I don't need to feed it chunks of meat. It will be slowly feeding on my inside.
Well, I know, but once you birth it out of your eyeball,
I hope you encounter one day.
like, you know, I want it to like burrow here,
Why there?
So you could
so I
watch
can
it.
watch it.
So gross.
I would hope it burrows
Who needs a
somewhere else that
tattoo when you can
can't
bring
see.
home a real souvenir?
So gross.
The reality of Bali travel. Constantly bugging up.
Oh, Eva, it's mixed with the stuff from last night. He just
Oh God.
Oh, I bet you that's what he's using for liquor.
He is.
Ugh. That stuff could peel paint off a wall.
I think you peel the painted thingy.
They're painting a Buddha.
You peel the painting
It's the fear.
Might I pour you some beverage, some libations?
Are you going like Cockney, like child who's
I don't
sweeps
call
chimneys?
I don't.
Chimneys?
Kidney?
I don't need any of this. No, I'm okay. Oh, I can smell what came out of that jug. They let us try what was in the mystery jug the other night.
It wasn't a mystery jug. It was
Yeah, it wasn't a mystery jug. It had a label on it and everything.
Yeah, it was a mystery jug.
Pretty good.
It's great.
being dramatic. Tastes good.
He makes regular.
The night is closing out by playing cribbage.
I've like done one with you.
Eva has won 2 games. I have won 2 games out of the 4.
And I was kicking her ass pretty swiftly until she got real wild about it and got 12 points.
Won 2 games. No, actually, I skunked Jenny. I beat Roy once, and then Roy beat me once. So, I'm going to go ahead and soundly beat Jenny again.
She's not, because I'm going to come back, because now I'm like a pro.
So tomorrow morning, you'll know by who's crowing
I don't know how.
with the
I
roosters.
don't know how you're. By morning, you'll know.
By morning, you'll know.
This is a special edition, just so you know. You're lost.
Come over to our Patreon where you have to pay. No.
Yeah.